The elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, but its true power is hidden in the details. Consider this for a moment. The human body has around 600 muscles in total, yet an elephant's trunk alone contains more than 40,000 muscles. It is one of the most complex and versatile organs in the animal kingdom. With that same trunk, an elephant can uproot an entire tree and moments later gently lift a tiny coin from the ground without damaging it. Just like humans are right-handed or left-handed, elephants also favor one side of their trunk more than the other. This preference develops over time and becomes a natural habit. Their massive skin may look tough, but it is actually very sensitive. That is why elephants deliberately cover themselves in mud and soil. The mud acts as natural sunscreen, while the deep wrinkles in their skin trap moisture and keep them cool. Look closely at their eyes, and you will find the longest eyelashes in the animal kingdom, reaching up to 5 inches in length, protecting their eyes from dust and harsh sunlight. Despite weighing nearly 6 tons, elephants walk almost silently. Soft, cushioned pads beneath their feet absorb sound, allowing these giants to move through the land without announcing their presence. And here's something truly unique. The elephant is the only mammal on Earth that cannot jump. Even when it runs, one foot always remains in contact with the ground. There are also clear differences between elephant species. African elephants have ears shaped like the map of Africa and 2 finger-like tips at the end of their trunk. Asian elephants have smaller ears and only 1 finger at the trunk's tip. Those massive ears serve another critical purpose. By flapping them, elephants cool the blood flowing behind their ears, acting like a natural air conditioning system for their entire body. Even the tiny hairs on an elephant's body matter. They help sense wind direction and subtle environmental changes. But the elephant's true strength lies in its mind. Elephants can hear through their feet. They detect vibrations traveling through the ground, allowing them to sense distant herds or approaching storms from miles away. Their brain weighs around 5 kilograms, making it the largest brain of any land animal. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror, a rare sign of self-awareness shared by only a few species on Earth. Memory defines elephant intelligence. A matriarch can remember water sources and migration routes from 20 or even 30 years ago. This is why people say an elephant never forgets. They even call each other by unique sounds, functioning much like names within their social groups. Their sense of smell is extraordinary. Elephants can detect water from as far as 12 miles away. But intelligence comes with deep emotion. Elephants mourn their dead. They recognize the bones of deceased companions, touch them gently, and remain silent as if grieving. Trauma leaves lasting scars. Elephants that lose their mothers at a young age often suffer from depression and recurring nightmares. Their society is matriarchal. The oldest and most experienced female leads the herd, while males are forced to leave once they reach adolescence. Raising a calf is a shared responsibility. Not only the mother, but the entire herd helps protect, teach, and nurture the young. When stressed, elephant calves suck on their trunks, much like human babies suck their thumbs. Survival brings its own miracles. Elephants possess 20 copies of the P53 gene, a powerful cancer-fighting mechanism. Humans have only 1. This is why cancer is extremely rare in elephants. Their pregnancy lasts an astonishing 22 months, the longest of any land animal. Once a year, male elephants enter a phase called must. During this time, testosterone levels rise up to 60 times normal, making them highly aggressive and unpredictable. An elephant grows 6 sets of teeth in its lifetime. When the final set wears down and falls out, the elephant eventually dies of starvation.
They sleep only 2 to 3 hours a day, often while standing. Elephants are true ecosystem engineers. By digging into dry riverbeds, they uncover hidden water sources, saving countless other animals during droughts. In extreme dry seasons, they even tear open massive baobab trees to access the water-rich pulp inside. Some facts are almost unbelievable. Despite their size, elephants fear honeybees. A sting inside the trunk can be extremely dangerous for them. When swimming in deep water, elephants use their trunks like snorkels, keeping them above the surface to breathe. Due to heavy poaching, some elephants are now being born without tusks. This is evolution happening in real time. Elephant dung is so rich in fiber that it can be turned into paper. In survival situations, people have even squeezed moisture from it to drink. Their communication is just as remarkable. Elephants hold private conversations using infrasound, low-frequency calls that travel long distances and can only be heard by the intended group. They can identify friends, enemies, and even different human accents just by sound alone. Elephants from different regions develop unique communication dialects, learned culturally, not genetically. They understand time itself. Elephants can sense when rain is coming or when water sources are about to dry up, allowing them to time migrations with incredible precision. Before difficult seasons arrive, they begin eating more and testing water routes, actively planning for the future. They even display moral behavior. If one elephant receives a better reward than another, both may refuse it, showing a strong sense of fairness. They also show mercy. Elephants deliberately avoid stepping on injured animals or young calves, changing their path to prevent harm. Their relationship with humans is complex. Elephants remember individual humans by face, smell, and behavior, even after 10 to 15 years. They do not attack blindly. Documented cases show that elephants target poachers' villages while ignoring innocent communities. Even in death, their awareness remains. When encountering bones, elephants selectively gather the remains of other elephants, ignoring bones from all other animals. They recognize their own, even after death.
The elephant is not just a giant, it is a mind, a memory, and a soul shaped by time. If this documentary changed the way you see elephants, don't keep it to yourself. Share it so others can understand. Like this video to support real wildlife education, and subscribe to Animal Species World, because here we don't just show animals, we reveal nature's secrets.